Triple kill.
Wow, Ma, you're so good in DOTA one ah.
Boy! Boy! How to save my friend contact on my handphone?
Can't you see I'm playing DOTA? You see my hero die already lah.
Sorry lah. I need your help.
Okay lah.
Okay, thank you.
A few minutes later.
Boy!
Oh,
How to send this photo to my friend?
Ma, can't you see I'm playing DOTA? You see my hero die again eh. You send this kind of photo one, so old fashioned. Aiyo, I help you lah.
Sorry lah, I'm old ma. I don't know the new technology ma.
Nah, I help you send already lah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ha! Yes, Ma. What is it regarding? What is it about your friend that you need to find me?
No, not about my friend. Our house is old. I want to renovate, but I got no time. I'm working. How?
You see, go to renopedia.sg. Then there's this page right. You can submit code. Then you click submit.
Oh, so fast. That's
then
good.
There will be 5 to 8 interior designer contacting you soon.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, so you wait for the 5 to 8
Okay.
interior designer call
Thank
you.
you, my son. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello, is this Jen? I'm calling from Renopedia.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Boy,
Ma, you see, my hero die again.
you see? I'm so surprised. So many ID call me. It's so fast, within 1 hour. It's a good platform.
Ma, I tell you now I'm training very hard right to become a DOTA champion. I'm going to take part in competition. I'm going to make my name well known in the whole world. But then, you see you disturb me. Then I one day die so many times. How I become a DOTA champion? Come
Son, come up.
come out.
Up, 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 up. Up.
What? What are you doing?
Triple kill.
Wow, Ma, you're so good in DOTA one ah.
You got no talent. Don't try it, okay? You must have talent, then you play the game.
Hey, Ma, teach me, hey, Ma.
Stand a chance to win up to $50,000 from their annual lucky draw when you renovate your dream home with Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.